Welcome to Intellioz LLC, where innovation meets transformation. We are a global IT services organization dedicated to empowering the manufacturing and supply chain industries with cutting-edge solutions. At Intellioz, we help clients digitalize their businesses, offering enhanced visibility and insights through technologies like AI, IoT, cloud, and enterprise applications. Our solutions are designed to transform operations effectively. Our mission is to deliver value-driven digital transformation and enterprise solutions. We partner with industry leaders such as SAP, Boomi, AWS, and Microsoft to provide tailored solutions that meet unique client needs. As a trusted partner, we accompany you on your journey to becoming an intelligent enterprise. Our customer-centric approach ensures we act as an extension of your IT division, focusing on your success. Our services include business consulting, digital manufacturing solutions, advanced data analytics, and managed services. We use a vendor-agnostic approach to deliver the best solutions tailored specifically for you. With a commitment to excellence, backed by CMM Level 3 and Six Sigma certified processes, we ensure every project is delivered on time and within budget, maintaining high standards of quality. At Intellioz, our values of integrity, collaboration, and innovation guide us in every interaction. We strive to reflect these values in our culture and in our relationships with customers and team members. Join us in transforming your business for the future. Connect with us today at intellioz.com. Let's build something extraordinary together and achieve remarkable success.